What's up, guys? All right, you want to know something that's really fun? Is this. Yep, that's right. So I broke my glasses, and keep in mind, I do not have any more contacts. I need an eye exam before they can give me anything new. And yeah, I'm pretty much stranded on an island. But here's the funny part. I have one contact that I can find, and I can put it in this eye and just rock it like Captain Hook style. I don't know why I said Captain Hook, but I can just have one contact here and one lens here, and it'd probably be perfect. You know what? Maybe I'll do that for the night. Get me through the night. That's funny. But anyway, so yeah, so here's the solution Alex and I came up with. Okay, guys. All right, so we are going to try to super glue this bad boy, and we're going to show you guys how it works. The challenge, guys, is this lens needs to get so tight to get on there, but it's like it's gonna be a truck. It's gonna be a journey. Let's see what we can do though, and wiping that off. But all right, guys, we'll give it a shot and see. So let's give it a shot. All right. Alright, guys. Alright, so we have a few options. We gotta make some decisions. We got a few minutes because right after this we have to go live on our YouTube channel called Personality Type Q&As. This is where we do nerdy personality stuff for an hour. Then we have to have a call with a client, Joelle, and then we have to do check-in. So we only got a few minutes. Anyways, so here's our options, guys. I don't know how we're gonna pull this off, but what we're going to do, me and Alex were debating, do we go in here, you're gonna have to pull in, do we go in here and try to do it like this? The problem with that, guys, is that you have to push so hard on the glass, like it pushes so hard because it doesn't come out. Or do we super glue this to here? Now, I have an eye doctor appointment in 2 days. So this is a 24-hour thing. Actually, in 1 day. This is a 24-hour thing. But actually, we're probably gonna go tomorrow. Now I think about it, the other one. But anyways, all right. So here's what we're gonna do, guys. Which one do you think, babe? What do you think? Here, hold on. Okay, let's see what Alex says.
I think just doing it here.
So on the glass.
No, on the brick.
So without the lens in.
Nope, lens in, but we do it like so we do it like this. Oops. Just put the lens in and then just super glue right here and then hold it together.
So, oh, okay.
You know?
All right, guys. So let's go ahead and here you go. This.
I hope I don't get any on your lens.
Well, I don't care that much if you do. Worst case, but so we're gonna go, guys.
And I can.
If you can see.
All right.
Let me see if I can get it to focus. There we go. All right, we're gonna try to get it right through that crack. Okay, guys. Uh-oh. I don't know if you got it in between the crack, did you?
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna squeeze hard and hold. Okay, now just hold. If you guys have broken glasses, Alex may be a good fix for you guys.
Got it.
All right.
Got it. I'm just gonna have to be gentle with them.
Okay, so we're gonna wait a second because I know this says 10 seconds, guys, but I'm not buying that. Okay, it looks a little crazy, but it's better than nothing. The only thing is if we got super glue on the lens, guys, that's not coming off. Let's do a tiny bit in that crack, just to solidify. And then I think it's gonna be really hard to come out. Just a tiny bit. Calm down, Tiger. What do you guys think? Good as new?
What? Stop.
All right, let's see what they look like on Alex.
No.
All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna blow on it.
So it doesn't stick to your face. That would be hilarious.
She would love that, guys.
Your effing face.
She loves my anguish. It sustains her. All right, guys. I think we may have pulled it off. You guys probably haven't even seen me without glasses yet. So I spent most of my life, guys. I've had contacts since I was probably like 7 years old. We were like some of the youngest kids to wear contacts. Me and my twin, when I say we. And I didn't start wearing glasses until literally, babe, right when I met you.
I know.
I didn't start wearing glasses, guys, till about 2 years ago. And what's crazy is like that's how people know me now. I feel like is my glasses and my hats. But this is how I've always looked, like without it. She doesn't like it because she thinks I look weird because she's used to me with glasses on. I prefer no glasses. I actually like the way it looks better. But you guys have probably already got used to seeing me with glasses too, so I might have to keep it just for you guys. But I might switch it up here and there more in the future. Actually, we're going to the eye doctor tomorrow, so we can vlog it. But I'm gonna see if I get some glasses too, or contacts too. All right, guys, let's try them on. I'm scared because I don't want them to fall off. Ah! Good as new, guys. Yeah. Let's see how they look. Okay, it looks a little hilarious there, but only if you look at it. Only if you know.
Mine are just crooked. I sat on them one time in bed.
All right, guys. All right, well, that's our super glue story. I think it worked. We gotta go jump on a live. So I'll be rocking some contacts for a while. So we'll see. I might, if these look all right, I'm gonna keep wearing them. We'll see. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next episode. Peace.